today video we'll talk about inserting some units or checking out the units in AutoCAD. So let's get started. This is AutoCAD 2022 version. First I am clicking on this new tab. I am clicking on new Autodesk file. New. It's not opening. Yeah, here the new file is open. Now I want to check out its units and I'll make its units up to my standards. I am clicking on typing a command UN and pressing the enter button. So when I press the enter button, this dialog box appears here, drawing units. So you can check it out here. This is decimal, so I want to go to architectural units, and here I'll be choosing this one, 0 feet 0 inch. So this will be showing me like this, that this is this much feet and this much inches. Now I am clicking on this and I want to change it to feet. I am clicking on the OK button and I am clicking on the OK button. Let's now check it out. I am clicking a line. I am drawing a line. This is, let's say, 1 feet line. So let's go to dimension and I am clicking over here, just like you can check it out. This is now showing 12 feet. This is a little bit higher than 12 feet, 1 feet, so this is showing a 12 inch 4 point something. Now this is not the proper units which I demonstrated over there. So how will you change it? So I am going to dim style. I'll click DIMS. So this dim style appears. I press the enter button. Now from here I can change my units representation. I'll click on the modify button. Here I'll check like this. You can see I'll click on the text. I'll click on the primary units, and here I'll change it to architectural and I'll choose this from here. Now let's click on the OK button, click on the close button. Now you can see this is 1 feet. So this is how you can change your units, and you can easily understand the units styles and units presentation. Thank you.